to count 1 to 100 numbers with spelling. 1, O-N-E. 2, T-W-O. 3, T-H-R-E-E. 4, F-O-U-R. 5, F-I-V-E. 6, S-I-X. 7, S-E-V-E-N. 8, E-I-G-H-T. 9, N-I-N-E. 10, T-E-N. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. 21, T-W-E-N-T-Y-O-N-E. 22, T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-W-O. 23, T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 24, T-W-E-N-T-Y-F-O-U-R. 25, T-W-E-N-T-Y-F-I-V-E. 26, T-W-E-N-T-Y-S-I-X. 27, T-W-E-N-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 28, T-W-E-N-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. 29, T-W-E-N-T-Y-N-I-N-E. 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y. 31, T-H-I-R-T-Y-O-N-E. 32, T-H-I-R-T-Y-T-W-O. 33, T-H-I-R-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 34, T-H-I-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R. 35, T-H-I-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E. 36, T-H-I-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 37, T-H-I-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 38, T-H-I-R-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. 39, T-H-I-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E. 40, F-O-R-T-Y. 41, F-O-R-T-Y-O-N-E. 42, F-O-R-T-Y-T-W-O. 43, F-O-R-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 44, F-O-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R. 45, F-O-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E. 46, F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 47, F-O-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 48, F-O-R-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. 49, F-O-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E. 50, F-I-F-T-Y. 51, F-I-F-T-Y-O-N-E. 52, F-I-F-T-Y-T-W-O. 53, F-I-F-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 54, F-I-F-T-Y-F-O-U-R. 55, F-I-F-T-Y-F-I-V-E. 56, F-I-F-T-Y-S-I-X. 57, F-I-F-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 58, F-I-F-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. 59, F-I-F-T-Y-N-I-N-E. 60, S-I-X-T-Y. 61, S-I-X-T-Y-O-N-E. 62, S-I-X-T-Y-T-W-O. 63, S-I-X-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 64, S-I-X-T-Y-F-O-U-R. 65, S-I-X-T-Y-F-I-V-E. 66, S-I-X-T-Y-S-I-X. 67, S-I-X-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 68, sixtyeight. 69, sixtynine. 70, seventy. 71, seventyone. 72, seventytwo. 73, seventythree. 74, seventyfour. 75, seventyfive. 76, seventysix. 77, seventyseven. 78, seventyight. 79, seventynie. 80, eighty. 81, eighthyone. 82, eighthytwo. 83, eighthythree. 84, eighthytfour. 85, eighthytfive. 86, eightysix. 87, eightyseven. 88, eighthytyight. 89, eighthytnyne. 90, ninetie. 91, ninetyone. 92, ninetytwo. 93, ninetythree. 94, ninetyfour. 95, ninetyfive. 96, ninetySix. 97, ninetySeven. 98, ninetyeight. 99, ninetyne. 100, onehundred. Hi friends! If you love learning numbers from 1 to 100 in words, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun and educational videos.